Diwali is just a few days away, and you know Diwali is incomplete without a sweet. So I thought I'll share a small recipe, my recipe with you. Children can do it. Children can also participate in it. It is aval laddu, poha laddu recipe. Okay, very simple and easy to make. The ingredients are we need 1 cup aval, 1 cup poha. This I have roasted, dry roasted and powdered. So this is roasted aval which is powdered, 1 cup. And this is sugar, half cup, again powdered in mixing. Okay, so 1:2. Aval 1 cup, roasted and powdered, sugar half cup, powdered. Then a little coconut, handful of coconut, 5 tablespoons ghee, which I have heated now. It should be hot ghee. And then 2 pinches of elaichi powder. So this is all you need. Now these are the ingredients. Now only thing we have to do is just put everything in this bowl, mix it nicely and make laddus. That's all. Everything is set. So we'll start now. I'm first putting the powdered poha. The poha can be powdered, roasted for 10 minutes, cooled, and then you have to powder it. Now I'll add powdered sugar. Next, coconut. This is optional, but this gives a nice taste. Grated coconut. Now you can add the ghee. This should be warm. And finally, elaichi powder. That's all. So now what you have to do is nicely mix it. The moisture of the coconut and the ghee, that is all you need to bind this laddu into small balls. Okay? You don't have to add anything else. Nicely mix it, blend it. While mixing, you can feel it is getting a bit wet or moist. That is the correct consistency. So nicely mix it. Children can do this. And if you feel it needs a bit of moisture, you can add 1 more spoon of ghee. I feel this is okay. See, if you do this, see, it is almost a ball shape. So this is enough. Now you can start making small laddus. See, this once you show to the children once or twice, just do like this, that's all. Our first laddu, you can make it little big or you can make it small size, depending on how you like to have it. It's very, very simple. And you can make it in just 10 minutes, instant. If you have aval and grated coconut, you can make it anytime. When you have guests at home, you can make it in 10 minutes. See, this is poha laddu. And instead of sugar, if you want to avoid sugar, you can also use jaggery powder. The same procedure. Jaggery, you can powder it in mixie. Should be a fine powder, no lumps. And the same way you can make it. You even get powdered jaggery. So this is aval laddu. It's very tasty. Please try it. Okay. So this is our Diwali special aval laddu, which is simple and tasty. Please try it out. Have a good time. Happy Diwali. Thanks for watching. Bye.